you all will be fine. Today we are going to discuss about physics and its domain. First of all, what's the physics? Physics is the branch of science which is devoted to the study of nature and natural phenomena. Means in nature we deal with different type of forces, with different type of quantities and how they actually behave and how they actually perform the different things. So, in physics, we are going to discuss in detail about two domains. First is macroscopic and other is microscopic domain. The macroscopic domain is completely described by the classical physics, the further branch of physics. So we can say to describe physics. Physics is used to describe nature and its various phenomena. We have two branches, macroscopic domain and other is microscopic domain. Classical physics, the further branch of physics. This describe in detail about macroscopic domain, where macroscopic domain deals with the object which we can see with the naked eyes, means they have some appropriate size which is visible to us. But microscopic domain deal with those particles which are not visible with the naked eyes, like electrons, protons, neutrons, fermions, nucleus and so on, means which are not visible to us without any tool or any particular tool. This is completely deal in or contained in the microscopic domain, and quantum mechanics or quantum physics deal with it in detail. Now, first of all, for microscopic domain, which is completely described by classical physics, this classical physics has further branches, branches like mechanics, thermodynamics, electromagnetic physics or electrodynamics, optics and other branches. Like first one is mechanics, where mechanics deal with the study of system or particle like rigid bodies. Rigid bodies are those bodies which do not change their shape and size on application of an external force. Deformable forces, bodies which actually change their size and shape on the application of external force. Liquid and so on, other particles related to it or other bodies related to it and their properties in detail. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics means, thermo means temperature, dynamics means in change. Thermodynamics means a system in which temperature, thermo means temperature, dynamics means change. This particularly deal with the gaseous system. Here, if temperature changes, then further quantities related to the temperature like pressure, volume, energy, entropy also changes. So thermodynamics especially deal with the gaseous system and change in temperature, internal energy, entropy through external work. Also study mode of transfer of heat. There are three basically mode of transfer of heat: conduction, convection and radiation. Then efficiency of heat engine, refrigerator and so on. These all topics are included under thermodynamics. Electrodynamics. Electro means charge and dynamics means in motion. If we study the properties of the charge in motion or rest, that all deal with the electrodynamics. Then optics. Optics deal basically with light. Optics basically deal with light. As light has dual nature, it acts as particle as well as particle as well as particle. Dual nature. Dual means double. So it acts as particle as well as wave. For the particle nature description, we have further law like reflection of light, refraction of light, total internal reflection. And to describe wave nature of light, we have topic interference or diffraction and polarization. So, optics basically deal with the light and dual nature and have further topic related to the particle, wave and some optical instrument too. Then, to describe the microscopic domain, there is quantum theory. To describe the microscopic domain. So, to describe microscopic domain, we specially have quantum theory, where quantum theory has further sub branches like atomic physics, nuclear physics, particle physics, which actually discuss about the particle and their nature, their velocity, their behavior in absence or the presence of any field. So microscopic mainly deal with the quantum theory mainly deal with the micro with its further sub branches. So we can say quantum theory help to explain microscopic domain.